It's Mid Kent Collage and it's lift tour time! This place has Otis Gen 2 lifts which go 1.6 metres a second, a sort of medium-ish fastest speed, but these aren't really all that interesting, not compared to Otis 2000 lifts which they made from the late 90s to the mid 2000s, which were ultra posh and really nice. I really don't get why Otis current lifts aren't as good as what they used to be. Anyway, first let's ride the lifts in the West Wing.
Doors closing. Doors closing.
This building was built in 2009 and is a typical present-day dull design of steel frame building. Very uninspiring to look at on the outside. But before this, up at Fort Horsted, there used to be an old Mid Kent Collage. This closed in 2009 after I'd started filming on YouTube, but I never got round to filming the lifts there. This building was so grot, it must have had some really good old lifts. Why did I never get round to it? Oh, I'm so cross with myself. Anyway, back to the present day Mid Kent Collage and now to the lifts in the central wing. The Otis Gen 2s here do have a slightly nicer, clearer motor sound than some Gen 2s, but still not as good as the Eco Disc and nowhere near as good as a nice old lift. Anyway, now to the lifts in East Wing, where these two lifts are not as set. There's a big lift and a normal size lift. First the big lift, which only goes 1 metre a second.
Doors closing.